On March 21st, 2025, the Bureau of Indian Standards, that is BIS, Ghaziabad branch, organized a grand celebration of World Consumer Rights Day through a one-day Manak Mahotsav at Hotel SK Clyde Grand, Maharajpur, Shahibabad. The event witnessed the presence of distinguished guests, industry leaders, academia, and consumer welfare advocates, all united in promoting awareness about consumer rights and quality standards. The celebration commenced with a traditional lamp lighting ceremony led by Shri Bharat Kheda, IAS, Additional Secretary, Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. He was joined by Dr. Manju Sivaj, MLA from Modi Nagar, Srimati Anita Rajput, former MLA from Dubai, and Shri Kumar Animesh, Director and Head of BIS Ghaziabad branch, who collectively graced the occasion. Following the inaugural session, Shri Kumar Animesh delivered a warm welcome address highlighting the pivotal role of BIS in standardization, quality control, and consumer protection.
भारत सरकार ने कंज्यूमर की सुरक्षा के लिए कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019 लागू किया है और इसके तहत मैं आपको कंज्यूमर्स के प्रमुख अधिकार बताता हूं। ये 6 अधिकार प्रमुख हैं, आपके राइट्स हैं। पहला, सुरक्षा का अधिकार। दूसरा है जानकारी का अधिकार। तीसरा है चुनने का अधिकार। चौथा है सुनवाई का अधिकार। इसी तरह से निवारण का अधिकार और उपभोक्ता शिक्षा का अधिकार।
His detailed presentation shed light on the initiatives undertaken by the BIS Ghaziabad branch office to safeguard consumer rights and ensure compliance with established standards. Shri Bharat Kheda, IAS, addressed the audience, emphasizing the significance of consumer rights and outlining the various initiatives undertaken by the Department of Consumer Affairs.
जैसे अभी बात भी हुई कि हम लोग बड़ा सहजता से ना देखते हुए बड़ा गंभीरता से हमें देखना चाहिए कि वाकई जो प्रोडक्ट हम खरीद रहे हैं उसके अंदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या हैं, उसके अंदर प्रिजर्वेटिव्स कितने हैं, जैसे मैम ने भी बताया। ये सब चीजें जो हैं, ये विभाग ने 7 चीजें पहले रूल्स के अंदर प्रावधान किया गया है कि इन किन चीजों को प्रिंट किया जाना अनिवार्य है।
Subsequently, Dr. Manju Sivaj and Srimati Anita Rajput shared their insights on how standardization plays a crucial role in ensuring consumer protection and quality assurance.
ये जागरूकता वाला जो विषय है या मानक का जो विषय है, ये विषय सिर्फ किसी सामान विशेष के लिए नहीं, मेरा मानना है ये मानक तो हमें हर पल हर क्षण अपने जीवन में भी तय करने चाहिए।
तो ये निश्चित ही हमें जानकारी होनी चाहिए और हमें पता होना चाहिए कि अगर मैंने एक शैम्पू खरीदा सल्फेट फ्री के नाम पे और कंपनी ने मुझे सब स्टैंडर्ड दिया तो मैं कहाँ कंप्लेन करूं। मुझे भी पता होना चाहिए कि मैं इनको कंप्लेन करूं कि इनको करूं कि इनको करूं।
The fourth Manakveer video was unveiled by esteemed dignitaries, reinforcing the mission of empowering consumers with knowledge and promoting a quality-conscious India.
ISI मार्क, BIS केयर इत्यादि की बात करते हैं।
ये लोगों को क्वालिटी का ज्ञान कौन दे रहा है?
कोई एक लड़का है मानकवीर, वो लोगों को क्वालिटी के लिए जागरूक कर रहा है।
The celebration was further enriched by vibrant cultural performances by members of standard clubs and resident welfare associations, that is RWAS, including traditional dance performances, engaging skits, that is Nukkad Natak, thought-provoking debate competitions, open mic discussions exploring industry versus consumer perspectives. Additionally, awareness stalls were set up by RWAs and Standard Club students to educate consumers about their rights and quality standards.
We are celebrating World Consumer Rights Day. Consumer rights वो rights होते हैं जो हमें कानून ने प्रोवाइड कराए हैं। ऐसे बहुत सारे rights हैं, you can see here, बहुत सारे right हैं। इसमें से सबसे important right है हमारा right to be informed.
During the second session, industry representatives addressed consumer queries and provided valuable insights into product quality and compliance with BIS standards. A compelling street play was also performed, reinforcing the importance of consumer awareness. Later, principals and mentors associated with standard clubs, RWAs, and NGOs were facilitated by Mr. Kumar Animesh for their tireless efforts in promoting consumer awareness. The event concluded with a comprehensive Quality Connect Campaign 7.0 training program, bringing together over 150 dedicated youth and NGO partners known as Manak Mitras. The training focused on raising awareness about the Bureau of Indian Standards, that is BIS, among government employees across various departments and ensuring compliance with quality standards across districts. Each Manak Mitra received a thoughtfully designed training kit from BIS GZBO, serving as a valuable resource to support their ongoing efforts. The Bureau of Indian Standards Ghaziabad branch office extends its heartfelt gratitude to all dignitaries, participants, and attendees for their valuable contributions, making the World Consumer Rights Day celebration a resounding success. Together, let's continue to uphold consumer rights and promote a quality-driven ecosystem in India, empowering consumers, ensuring quality, building a developed nation.